The Honda CBX motorcycle. The Honda CBX engine bike is an incredible machine that epitomizes the ideal mix of force, style, and designing greatness. In this survey, we'll dive into the striking CBX 1000 variation, a genuine symbol of the motorcycling scene. From its dazzling plan to its noteworthy exhibition, the CBX 1000 keeps on spellbinding riders and aficionados the same. Plan. The plan of the Honda CBX 1000 is downright striking. With its solid position, smooth lines, and notorious six-chamber motor design, this cruiser orders consideration any place it goes. The etched gas tank, matched with the streaming forms of the bodywork, radiates a feeling of dynamism and class. Honda's tender loving care is clear in the nature of the paintwork and the consistent coordination of parts. The CBX 1000's plan is a demonstration of Honda's obligation to making outwardly dazzling machines. Execution. Under the CBX 1000's attractive outside lies a force to be reckoned with of execution. The highlight of this cruiser is its six-chamber motor, which creates an elating eruption of force. With an uprooting of 1,047 cubic centimeters, the CBX 1000 conveys a striking blend of force and torque. The motor's smooth activity and straight power conveyance add to an exhilarating riding experience. The bicycle easily speeds up, making it a delight to explore both city roads and open expressways. The exhaust note reverberates with a profound, vibrant snarl, further improving the thrill of riding this machine. Dealing with and solace. The CBX 1000 is intended to give an excellent riding experience regarding both dealing with and solace. Its strong edge and even skeleton move certainty and accuracy while moving through corners. The suspension framework, comprising of flexible front forks and back twin safeguards, conveys a smooth ride, really retaining street flaws. The seating position finds some kind of harmony among liveliness and significant distance solace, permitting riders to handle expanded ventures without unnecessary weariness. Mechanical highlights. Albeit the CBX 1000 is an exemplary model, it consolidates a few innovative highlights that improve both well-being and comfort. The consideration of front and back circle brakes guarantees responsive and solid halting power. Moreover, the instrumentation is clear and extensive, giving crucial data, for example, speed, fuel level, and motor RPM. While not generally so progressed as current bikes as far as electronic guides, the CBX 1000's effortlessness permits riders to zero in on the unadulterated delight of riding without interruption. Inheritance and collectability. As one of the most notable cruisers at any point delivered, the Honda CBX 1000 has solidified its position in the records of motorcycling history. Its unique case and remarkable plan make it profoundly pursued by authorities and aficionados. Claiming a CBX 1000 isn't simply a demonstration of Honda's designing ability, yet in addition a piece of motorcycling legacy that conveys monstrous worth and pride. The Honda CBX 1000 epitomizes the zenith of motorcycling greatness. Its amazing plan, elating execution, and ageless allure make it a remarkable machine that keeps on motivating wonderment and profound respect. Whether you love exemplary bikes, a gatherer, or just somebody who values the craft of two-wheeled designing, the CBX 1000 is a genuine magnum opus that endures for the long haul.